All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Nissan Frontier. It is the SV 4x4, silver with the gray interior, AM/FM stereo system, CD player, Onyx, all that good stuff. You got backup camera, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, tow hitch, super nice, only 12,000 miles on this vehicle. And best of all, minimal damage around the body. Your front bumper, fantabulous. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread is at the line of 730 seconds. Let me double check. It's actually almost at 830 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's the rear driver's rim. Very nice that you're not seeing any curbing here. And your tire thread is, it's around 930 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with one key and one key fob. An owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Got your AM/FM CD player on it and all that good stuff. Got your backup camera. Boom. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your 4x4 action here. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. As you can see, it does have an airbag light on. And your mileage of 12,684. Pretty good. Turn on the lights. Keep it moving. Here is your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. There is a compartment down here. See if I can do it one hand. I cannot. Look, storage compartment down there. All right. Keeping it moving. Rear bumper looks good. You got your tow hitch down below. This is what your rear cargo bed looks like. Very nice. Super. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rear passenger rim. Very nice NLC curbing here. Your tire thread is at over 830 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. See if I can open this with one hand. Yes, I can. And here's your, it was a struggle, but here's the other underneath compartment. This, of course, is your tow receiver, stuff like that. I guess that would be for your other stuff. Anyway, that completes that. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front rim looks good. Front fender looks nice. Let's check out your tire thread. Here is over 730 seconds, almost at 8. Lights are on and working. Things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Nissan Frontier SV 4x4 model with 12,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.